Hey there, everyone! Welcome to our channel Tracks to Health. We're so excited to have you here. Whether you're looking to get fit, eat healthier, or find inspiration for a balanced lifestyle, you've come to the right place. Losing weight quickly can be challenging, but with the right strategies, it is achievable. It requires a blend of effective dietary, exercise, and lifestyle strategies. Here are 5 methods to help you lose weight quickly while maintaining good health. 1. Drink more water. Increasing your water intake can aid in weight loss by boosting metabolism, reducing appetite, and improving digestion. Drinking water before meals can reduce calorie intake by making you feel fuller. Staying hydrated helps your body function optimally, including burning calories more efficiently. Replacing sugary drinks with water cuts out empty calories. Tips: aim for at least 8 glasses of water per day or more if you're active. Drink a glass of water before each meal to promote fullness. Carry a water bottle with you to stay hydrated throughout the day. 2. Cut out added sugars and refined carbs. Eliminating added sugars and refined carbs from your diet can lead to quick weight loss. By reducing calorie intake and preventing spikes in blood sugar levels, lowers overall calorie intake, helping create a calorie deficit. Prevents insulin spikes that can lead to fat storage. Reduces cravings and promotes a more balanced appetite. Tips: avoid sugary drinks, candies, baked goods, and processed snacks. Opt for whole grains, fruits, and vegetables instead of refined carbs. Read labels to identify and avoid foods with added sugars. 3. Increase protein intake. High-protein diets can aid in weight loss by increasing feelings of fullness, reducing appetite, and boosting metabolism. Promote satiety, reducing overall calorie consumption. Preserves muscle mass, which helps maintain a higher metabolic rate. Increases the thermic effect of food, meaning your body burns more calories digesting protein. Tips: include protein-rich foods like lean meats, fish, eggs, dairy, legumes, and nuts in your meals. Aim for at least 20 to 30 grams of protein per meal. Consider protein supplements like whey protein if needed to meet your protein goals. 4. Increase physical activity. In addition to structured workouts, increasing your daily physical activity can significantly boost calorie expenditure and promote weight loss. Burns more calories throughout the day, contributing to a calorie deficit. Enhances overall fitness and muscle tone, supporting metabolic health. Physical activity reduces sedentary behavior, which is linked to weight gain and metabolic issues. Tips: incorporate more movement into your daily routine, such as taking the stairs, walking or biking instead of driving, and standing up regularly if you have a desk job. Aim for at least 30 minutes of moderate physical activity most days of the week. Use a fitness tracker to monitor and motivate your activity levels. 5. Get enough sleep. Adequate sleep is crucial for weight loss and overall health. Poor sleep can disrupt hormones that regulate appetite and metabolism, leading to weight gain. Sleep regulates hunger hormones, reducing cravings and overeating. Enhances recovery and performance in physical activities. Supports mental well-being, making it easier to stick to a healthy lifestyle. Tips: aim for 7 to 9 hours of sleep per night. Establish a regular sleep schedule by going to bed and waking up at the same time each day if possible. Create a restful sleep environment by keeping your bedroom dark, quiet, and cool. Losing weight quickly involves a combination of dietary changes, exercise, and lifestyle adjustments. By increasing your water intake, cutting out added sugars and refined carbs, increasing protein, boosting daily physical activity, and getting sufficient sleep into your routine, you can achieve your weight loss goals efficiently and sustainably. Remember to consult with a healthcare professional before starting any new diet or exercise program to ensure it's safe and suitable for your individual needs. Thank you so much for watching our video. Your support means the world to us. We hope you found the content in this video helpful and inspiring for your health and fitness journey. If you enjoyed the video and want to see more tips, inspiration, and guidance, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button and ring the notification bell. This way, you'll never miss an update from our channel. We're here to support you every step of the way, so stay tuned for more great content. Together, we can achieve our health and fitness goals. Thank you again, and we'll see you in the next video. Stay happy, healthy, and fit.